Okay, just reviewing major scale stuff, and I got two files I'm sending to you. One of them contains the major scales with sharps, and the other file contains the major scales with flats. Both of them start with the C major scale, which has no sharps and no flats. But that's, we start with the key of C because all the natural notes are found in the key of C. So you see on the screen right there, from your C note, following the major scale formula, we go up whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. And then after that, you see the notes stacked up in that convenient 3 notes per string scale shape. So I'm going to do the one string again and then play the scale shape. So notice that sounds the same because the notes are the same. And then the black notes, that's just extending the notes into higher octaves. So the rest of this stuff is just showing the different keys, different scales, just shown in different places. It ends up being the same thing in terms of the distance from one note to the next. Again, we go up, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Whole step, half step, whole, 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 half. Same shape as up here. But yeah, so just stuff for reference. So what I'd like you to do is just play through each key that's listed. So that was your G major scale, so the key of G major. And then you got your D major scale. And then next you got A major. You got E major starting in the open position. It's still the same shape. B major. And last we have F sharp major. And then you got the other scales. So again, we're starting with the C major. And then we'll go to F major next. And then we have B flat major. E flat major. A flat major. D flat major. And finishing with G flat major. So yeah, just run through those. Once a day would be a good idea, just to really help memorize that major scale shape. And so the other things to keep fresh in the memory: the major scale formula, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. So 2 wholes and a half, 3 wholes and a half, 2 whole steps, then a half step, 3 whole steps, then a half step. And then the notes, the natural notes that are a half step apart: B and C, E and F. So just remember, B, C, rich, elephant. And there you go. Elephant and B, C, rich. The notes B and C are half step apart. E and F a half step apart. All the other natural notes are a whole step apart. So there we go. Any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again next week.